In this presentation, we are going to discuss the direction of a vector, in what direction it is heading at. The direction of a vector is obtained by applying the tangent ratio. Okay, so basically what you are doing is calculating the angle, okay, with reference to the horizontal, to the x-axis in which the vector is pointing at, okay? So now we all know that the vector itself forms the hypotenuse, okay? And that angle it makes with the horizontal, we can call it theta, and we would have known already the horizontal component and the vertical component, which will form the legs of the right angle triangle. Now, as you can see, the horizontal component is adjacent to the angle theta, it is next to it, and the vertical component is opposite to the angle theta, okay? It's away from it. So from this, we can clearly apply Pythagoras, the tangent ratio, which is given by the opposite side to the theta divided by the adjacent side to the theta. And theta now would be equal to the inverse of tangent of the opposite side to theta divided by the adjacent side to theta. So as seen in the above diagram, again, we repeat, the right angle triangle can be formed with the vector C as the hypotenuse, and the legs are x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So consequently, if a vector is in its component form, its magnitude and direction can be easily obtained. So therefore, the direction of vector GF can be calculated as follows. So as you can see, y2 minus y1 would be 6, subtract 1. And x2 minus x1 would be 9 minus 2, okay? Which we have done already when we were calculating the magnitude. So that would be, theta now would be equal to tan inverse of 6 minus 1 over 9 minus 2, okay? Which can be simplified to tan inverse of 5 over 7, tan inverse of 0.714, and that will give us an angle of 35.54 degrees, and that will give us an indication of the direction of the vector GF with reference to the horizontal axis. So for exercise 8, vector exercise 8, find the directions of these vectors. We have already found the magnitude, so we have already broken these vectors in the component forms. So you can actually go to vector exercise 7, and you can use your vertical component and your horizontal component to actually easily obtain the direction of these vectors. So please do that. The scientific calculator, your pen, pencil, the paper, and obtain the direction of these vectors.